old school diner. We're pretty lucky. They're about to close for a few weeks for holidays. I really like the feel of the place. Looks like it's pretty much locals. Restaurant New Verdun. There's 6 pages of Chinese food in this diner. I decided to go with the Chinese food here. Wings have arrived. They look nice and crispy. This is supposed to be barbecue, honey glazed chicken wings. Really hot. Very crispy. Very nice. Nice light crisp on these. Very nice. Just a little sweet, not too sweet. Very good. Nothing, nothing super fancy. Just simple, good food. And very crispy. I like it. Shrimp Singapore noodles have arrived. They're looking pretty nice. They look piping hot. Smell nice. Pretty good. Nice curried noodles. Let's try the shrimp. Yeah, very good. So, honestly, even though this is a diner, where I'd expect this to be like a Québécois food diner, but their Chinese food is very good. Yeah, I like this unpretentious food. Well made, really good portions. Very, very good. The chicken wings are, gonna have another one here. Very crispy. Very crispy. Very delicious. The waitress was actually telling me that the Chinese food is prepared by Chinese chefs in there. So they have a split kitchen. One side only does the Chinese food, and apparently they actually advertise in Chinatown and even abroad to Chinese chefs, Chinese cooks to come to